Have you ever felt like people take advantage of your kindness? We often find it hard to say no when someone asks for help. We struggle to speak up during arguments. And slowly people start thinking of us as naive or weak. Is this the image you want to project? Or would you rather be someone who makes smart decisions, protects their self-respect, and shows others that they can't be pushed around? In today's video, we'll teach you how to be smart and clever, and how to do it without losing your inherent goodness. So join us on this journey. Naivety grows when you openly share everything on your mind with everyone. While innocence is good, it's not appropriate for every situation or person. Naivety often shows when we speak without thinking. As you learn to control your words, you appear more thoughtful and smart to others. How to speak thoughtfully. Think before you speak. Break the habit of immediately answering when someone asks you something. Pause, think, and then respond. For example, if someone asks, "Why didn't you finish this task?" Instead of immediately apologizing or making excuses, think about how you can best present your point. Respond with, "I missed it this time, but I'll make sure to correct it quickly." Speak less, listen more. Those who speak excessively often have their words disregarded. Cultivating the habit of speaking less makes you appear smarter and increases the impact of your words. For example, in a meeting or group discussion, instead of speaking first, listen carefully to what others have to say. When you do speak, ensure your words leave a mark. Be mindful of your boundaries. You don't have to share personal matters with everyone. Think about how the other person might use your words. Tips: share things like your salary, personal relationships, or future plans selectively. It's not necessary to tell everyone everything. Emotional inspiration. Silence is also a strength. When you speak thoughtfully, people value you more. Not everyone has good intentions. Not every smile is genuine. That's why it's crucial to evaluate before placing your trust in someone. Trust is a beautiful quality, but when you blindly offer it to everyone, it becomes your weakness. How to decide who to trust. Take your time to evaluate. Getting to know and understand someone takes time. It's not wise to completely trust someone after just one meeting or a few conversations. For example, if a new friend suddenly asks for a loan, instead of immediately agreeing, consider if their need is genuine, or if they are trying to take advantage of you. Understand people's intentions. Not everyone is who they appear to be. Try to understand the difference between their words and their actions. For instance, if someone only reaches out when they need something, they might be selfish. Be wary of those who constantly try to impress you. Question their motives. Set boundaries. Allow others into your personal life only when you're sure they have your best interests at heart. Emotional inspiration. Trust is like a flower. If not placed in the right hands, it withers away. Naivety also grows when you agree to everything asked of you. You can't refuse anyone, and people take advantage of this. The biggest reason for appearing naive is the lack of courage to say no. People exploit this habit of yours. How to say no without ruining relationships. Refuse politely. Saying no doesn't mean being rude. You can decline someone's request politely. For example, if a friend constantly wastes your time and you need to decline, say, "I have some urgent work right now, I'll spend time with you later." Don't make false excuses. Be honest when saying no. Lying can damage relationships. For example, if you can't help with something, don't be afraid to say, "I'm sorry, I won't be able to help you right now." Take care of your time and priorities. Trying to please everyone will only exhaust you. So when you feel it's right to say no, don't hesitate. Emotional inspiration. Your time is precious. Only those who understand this will truly value you. Your body language makes the first and deepest impression of your personality. The difference between naivety and intelligence is often evident in your body language. So if you want to appear smart and confident, working on your body language is crucial. How to improve your body language. Stand and sit straight with confidence. Slouching while standing or sitting reflects insecurity. When you walk with your back straight and head held high, it showcases your confidence. For example, if you're in an interview, instead of slouching or sitting too comfortably, sit upright and alert. Wrong way. Sitting with your head down and fidgeting with your hands. Right way. resting your hands calmly on the table and maintaining confident eye contact. Maintain eye contact while talking. People take those who maintain eye contact more seriously. It shows you're not afraid. How to do it? In every conversation, maintain eye contact for 60 to 70% of the time. If you need to argue with someone, don't look down in fear. Instead, address them directly. Use hand gestures effectively. Utilize hand gestures appropriately during conversations. Constantly fidgeting or hiding your hands displays uncertainty. Use subtle hand movements to emphasize your points. Emotional inspiration. Your confidence is reflected not just in your voice, but also in your walk and demeanor. Master your body language, and people will start taking you seriously. Naivety often stems from the inability to make the right decisions at the right time. People perceive those who constantly depend on others as weak. To be smart, you need to be independent in your decision-making. How to make the right decisions? Understand the situation. Before making any decision, understand every aspect of the situation. For example, if you're considering a job change, think, will this change help me learn new skills? Will it increase my income? Will this job negatively impact other aspects of my life? Think long-term. Often people make hasty decisions for short-term gains, but smart people always consider long-term benefits. For example, if a friend urges you to invest in a business immediately, first, analyze its pros and cons. Avoid investing without research. Learn from your mistakes. Those who acknowledge and learn from their mistakes are the ones who make better decisions in the future. How to learn? Analyze your past mistakes. See every mistake as a lesson and avoid repeating them. Emotional inspiration. Decisions shape the course of your life. If you want to reach your destination, use both your heart and mind in every decision. Naivety also shows when you openly express your anger, happiness, or fear in front of others. Avoid revealing your emotions to others. Maintain a balance between your heart and mind. Always remain calm and composed. Motivational line: the one who masters their emotions can also master their circumstances. Friends. Being clever doesn't mean being deceitful. It means using your intelligence and thinking in the right direction. Smart and clever is the one who empowers themselves without harming others. Embrace the things we've learned today and create an identity in life that truly justifies your worth. Final thought: naivety is beautiful until people mistake it for weakness. Take steps with understanding so that your identity becomes your strength. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.